Foxit AI Assistant helps you analyze multiple documents at once, perfect for comparing ideas, verifying facts, or synthesizing research. I'm analyzing 3 IoT white papers for a new client project. I need to identify common trends, compare data, and extract key points. I'll go to AI Assistant, AI Chat. I'll upload all 3 PDFs at once. AI Assistant supports up to 10 files, including PDFs, JPEG, and PNG files, up to 20 megabytes each. With multiple documents loaded, it doesn't treat them as isolated. It connects the dots. That means I can uncover combined trends, validate data consistency, or spot key differences. I can now ask questions that span across all these files. I'll set a clear objective for the AI Assistant with an explicit prompt. Let's start by asking the assistant a detailed question. The AI reads all 3 PDFs and gives me a combined summary. I would like clarifications on some specific concepts in the documents. I'll use AI Assistant's web search function to get further information. I'd like to integrate the data from this graph into my notes as a table. I'll use the Snapshot tool to add it to the AI Assistant chat. Okay, I've learned a lot here quickly. I'd like to create a summary to share with the team. I can click Regenerate to see different answer possibilities. I'll copy the information to include in our internal strategic brief for the executive team. Now that I've seen the power of accessing multiple documents via AI, I have 3 versions of a service-level agreement contract related to this topic. I'll load them up and enter a thorough prompt. Foxit AI Assistant streamlines my entire research process, saving hours of manual review. Plus, it generates new insights that the team can use to inform decision-making. Foxit AI Assistant is perfect for marketing trend reports, gleaning important information from medical scientific studies, or simplifying the complexities of financial reports. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.